Hi, thanks for visiting my channel. Here are the 5 year-end financial tips I can give you for your registered plans. Tip number 1, if you're planning on making spousal RSP contribution in the near future, consider making the contribution before the year end. Spousal RSP contributions are where the higher income spouse makes the contribution to the spousal RSP account of the lower income spouse and claims the tax deduction. Spousal RSP contributions are taxed in the hand of the lower income spouse as long as the contributions are not made this year or any of the previous 2 calendar years. Otherwise, any withdrawals will be taxed in the hand of the higher income spouse. Since spousal RSP 3-year attribution rules are applied based on the calendar year, therefore consider making spousal RSP contribution before the year end instead of making the contribution by the regular RSP deadline of within 60 days of the next calendar year. Tip number 2, if you're senior between the age of 65 and 71 and thinking of withdrawing funds from your RRSP, consider converting part of your RRSP to RIF before the year end in order to take advantage of $2,000 non-refundable federal pension income tax credit. This will reduce your tax payable by 15% on the first $2,000 of RIF withdrawals. That's a saving of $300. This is because unlike RRSP, RIF income is considered eligible income for pension income tax credit. Let me give you an example. If you and your spouse transfer $12,000 each from your RRSP to RIF and then withdraw $2,000 each from your RIF account every year from age 65 to age 71, you will receive $300 federal tax refund per year, which works out to be $1,800 over 6 years for a single and $3,600 for a couple. There would also be provincial tax credit of approximately $100 per person per year, depending on the province. Tip number 3, if you're saving for your first home, consider contributing up to $8,000 to First Home Savings Account before the year end. First Home Savings Account is hybrid between RRSP and TFSA, where contributions are tax deductible, same as RRSP, and withdrawals are completely tax-free, same as TFSA, as long as withdrawals are used to purchase a qualifying home. RRSP contributions are tax deductible against 2023 income as long as contributions are made by the RRSP deadline of February 29, 2024, whereas First Home Savings Account contributions are deductible on calendar year basis. Therefore, First Home Savings Account contributions have to be made before December 31st, 2023 to be deductible against 2023 income. To open First Home Savings Account, you must be resident of Canada, 18 years of age, and be a first-time home buyer. You are considered first-time home buyer if you or your spouse haven't owned a home this year or any of the previous 4 calendar years. Tip number 4, if you're considering making TFSA withdrawal in early 2024, consider making TFSA withdrawal before the end of the year in year 2023, so you can contribute back in 2024. This way you will not have to wait until year 2025 to re-contribute back the withdrawn amount. This is because any TFSA withdrawals cannot be re-contributed back in the same calendar year unless you have unused carry-forward TFSA contribution room in the year of withdrawal. Tip number 5, if you're considering setting up RESP plan for your children or grandchildren in the near future, consider setting it up and making contributions before the year end. This is because RESP Canada Education Savings Grant of 20% of every dollar you contribute are issued based on the total contribution made in a calendar year as opposed to birth date of the RESP beneficiary. Let me give you an example. If the child is born in December 2023, you can contribute entire $2,500 in his or her RESP account for the year 2023 to claim the full $500 in government grant even though child is only 1 month old. Since RESP investments grow tax sheltered, you can have entire $3,000 working for you starting this year. That's all for this video. If you think information like this can benefit someone, please share this video with somebody you know. Also, if you think you learned at least one new thing from this video, all I'm asking is to like this video and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.